Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic: how to make money on YouTube using AI. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these tips will help you harness the power of AI to boost your income. We're talking about everything from automating tasks to optimizing your content for maximum revenue. Let's get right into it. Alright, let's kick things off with video editing. We all know editing can be a grind, but what if you could make it faster and even improve the quality? That's where AI swoops in to save the day. We're talking about using AI-powered tools like Adobe Premiere Pro's AI features. These features handle things like auto-ducking, which adjusts your audio or scene detection, making finding those perfect cuts a breeze. Another great option is Lumen 5. This platform uses AI to help you create professional-looking videos, even if you're not a seasoned editor. Think about it, you could be saving hours of time with this stuff. Time you could then spend creating more content, engaging with your audience, or, actually sleeping. Plus, these tools can often achieve a level of polish that might take even experienced editors a lot longer to do manually. We're talking smoother transitions, better audio quality, and overall more professional-looking videos. Many of them are incredibly user-friendly and intuitive, even if you're new to the world of video editing. You could be looking at an extra $500 to $2,000 per month just by optimizing your editing workflow with AI. So you're ready to make amazing content, but sometimes the ideas just don't flow as easily, right? Or maybe writer's block has you staring at a blank screen? We've all been there. But guess what? AI can help with that too. There are some seriously powerful AI platforms out there like Jarvis and Copy.ai that are basically like having a brainstorming partner on demand. These tools can help you generate video scripts, come up with catchy titles, and even suggest new video ideas based on what's trending. Imagine having a tool that could analyze the most popular videos in your niche and tell you exactly what people are engaging with. That's the kind of power AI brings to the table. Now, I'm not saying you should hand over all your creativity to a robot. Your unique voice and perspective are what make your channel special. But using AI as a starting point, as a source of inspiration, can be a game changer, especially when you're feeling stuck. Think of it like this. AI can help you get the ball rolling, and then you can take over and inject your own personality and style. It's a collaboration, not a takeover. Consistently putting out high-quality content is key to growing your audience and attracting sponsorships. We're talking potentially $1,000 to $5,000 per month, depending on your content volume and how well you engage your audience. Okay, so you've got amazing videos, but are they actually reaching the right people? That's where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. It's all about making sure your videos show up when people are searching for content like yours. Now, SEO can seem kind of complicated, but luckily, AI is here to simplify things. Tools like TubeBuddy and Vidicue are like having an SEO expert in your corner. They use AI to analyze your video's performance, suggest relevant keywords, and even help you optimize your video titles and descriptions. Think about it. You spend all this time creating awesome content. You want to make sure people actually see it, right? These tools help you do just that. They give you insights into what people are searching for, so you can tailor your content and your keywords to attract the right audience. It's like having a direct line to what people are interested in watching. And the best part is, these tools are constantly learning and adapting. With optimized titles, descriptions, and tags, you're giving your videos the best possible chance of ranking higher in search results. We're talking about a potential increase of $300 to $1,500 per month just from optimizing your SEO with AI. That's a significant boost, and it's something every creator should be taking advantage of. Know your audience, like really know them, with AI-powered analytics. Let's be real for a second. You can create the most amazing content in the world, but if it's not resonating with your audience, it's not going to get you very far. That's why understanding your audience is absolutely crucial. And no, I'm not just talking about basic demographics like age and location. I'm talking about diving deep into what your viewers love, what they hate, and what keeps them coming back for more. This is where AI-powered analytics tools like Social Blade and YouTube Analytics come in. They provide you with a treasure trove of data about your audience, like what videos are they watching, how long are they watching for, what are they commenting on. This information is like gold because it allows you to tailor your content to the specific interests of your viewers. You can see what's working, what's not, and adjust your content strategy accordingly. For example, let's say you notice that a particular type of video is performing really well. You can then create more content around that topic, knowing that your audience is already engaged with it. By truly understanding your audience and what they're looking for, you can create content that resonates more deeply, leading to higher viewer retention, more engagement, and ultimately, more revenue. We're talking a potential increase of $500 to $2,500 per month just by using AI to get inside the minds of your viewers. Let's talk about thumbnails for a second. They might seem like a small detail, but trust me, they are absolutely crucial for grabbing people's attention. Think about it. When you're scrolling through YouTube, what makes you stop and click on a video? It's usually the thumbnail, right? It's your video's first impression, and you want to make it count. You want something that's going to make people stop scrolling and say, hey, I need to watch this. And guess what? AI can help you create thumbnails that are impossible to ignore. Tools like Canva's AI features and Thumbnail Blaster are specifically designed to make your videos pop. They can help you choose the perfect colors, fonts, and layouts to make your thumbnails eye-catching and engaging. Some of them even have features that analyze your video content and suggest thumbnail ideas based on what's visually appealing and relevant. Remember, we're talking about milliseconds to capture someone's attention. Your thumbnail needs to be clear, concise, and communicate what your video is about in an instant. AI can help you achieve that. With AI, you have a secret weapon to help you stand out from the crowd and attract more clicks. By optimizing your thumbnails with AI, you can significantly improve your click-through rates, which directly translates to more views, more subscribers, and of course, more revenue. We're talking a potential increase of $200 to $1,000 per month just by upping your thumbnail game. Let's talk about keeping your viewers engaged, because let's be honest, in the world of YouTube, watch time is king. The longer people watch your videos, the more YouTube rewards you, right? So how do you keep people hooked? Well, one word: personalization. It's all about making your viewers feel like you're creating content just for them. And guess what plays a massive role in personalization? You guessed it, AI. AI algorithms are incredibly powerful at analyzing data and understanding individual preferences. By implementing AI into your content strategy, you can start suggesting personalized content recommendations to your viewers. Think about those up-next suggestions you see on YouTube. With AI, you can make sure those recommendations are hyper-relevant to each individual viewer, increasing the chances of them clicking on another one of your videos. It's like creating a customized viewing experience, tailored to each person's interests. This not only boosts your watch time, but also strengthens the connection you have with your audience. By leveraging AI for personalized content recommendations, you can significantly increase viewer engagement, watch time, and subscriber growth, ultimately leading to higher revenue. We're talking a potential increase of $400 to $2,000 per month, just by making your viewers feel seen and understood. Okay, let's talk about the money-making part of YouTube ads. We all know they're there, but how do you make sure you're getting the most out of them? Well, you guessed it. AI can help with that too. AI can optimize your ad placements and formats for maximum revenue. Tools like Google AdSense's AI features are constantly analyzing data to figure out the best times to show ads, what types of ads perform best with your audience, and how to place them in a way that feels natural and doesn't interrupt the flow of your videos. Think of it like this. AI is like your personal ad manager, constantly working behind the scenes to make sure you're earning the most from your content. It takes the guesswork out of ad optimization and allows you to focus on what you do best, creating awesome content. Now, it's important to find a balance. You don't want to bombard your viewers with ads and ruin their viewing experience, but by using AI to strategically place and format your ads, you can maximize your earnings without sacrificing the quality of your content. With AI-powered ad optimization, you can potentially increase your ad revenue by $600 to $3,000 per month, depending on your audience demographics and ad performance. That's a significant boost, and it's something every creator should be taking advantage of. So there you have it, 7 powerful ways you can use AI to make more money on YouTube. Remember, AI is not about replacing you as a creator. It's about giving you the tools and insights you need to take your channel to the next level. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.